What you doing, Mudbug? Filming me, filming you?
Yeah.
Where's your light at, Mudbug? Why ain't your light on?
You want to turn the light on? No, that light on.
Does it have a light on the camera? What is that?
Huh?
That's a light on. No, it's just his green light. Alright, y'all ready, boys?
Wait, give me the rundown. What?
We're going to Bull of the Woods Ridge. We got a turkey that's been, he don't gobble much, but he's been there consistently. He'll gobble a few times, hit the ground, and get the lockjaw, so we think he's the Bull of the Woods.
Oh, two gobble.
We're gonna try to get up on him, up in him, see if we can get him to pitch down to us and catch him strutting or catch him gobbling or just catch him right off the limb.
But what's our chances if we even do get him within shotgun range?
25%. We got leg on the gun. He's shooting. In his words, he was 0 for 3, batting 300. But in reality, he's one of his last 4. That's 250. So
250.
we got a 25% chance. And it's been a long time since he missed a turkey. When's the last time you missed a turkey? At least about 17, 18 hours by now.
Yeah,
it got to be. Almost 24 hours.
Whiffed on opening day.
So we feeling good. Y'all ready?
Let's go.
Oh, up this little hill here, Doc. Yeah, go up the little hill. Then we're gonna go to the left or the right. Make a game time decision.
They on Porter's Ridge.
Yeah.
How we get there? Huh?
This one don't gobble much. We need to give him a chance, or owl or something. Try to make him gobble before we go running over there. He thinks that's a different turkey than this turkey. Yeah, that ain't this turkey.
It ain't.
No, he was gobbling last time I was here.
Oh, okay. That turkey's gonna gobble good, though.
Yeah, he's gonna gobble good.
He gobbled early.
Yep. Well, y'all wanna go get him?
I think we should go if he's gobbling. He's gonna gobble good.
Alright, let's go. I thought we got to go with an owl here.
Alright, listen.
Let's see, owl here to see if this one's gobbling. There it is, 2 of them.
It's 2 of them. Let's go. Just heard them 2 gobbling. And the turkey here, we're gonna give up on him. I know it's way early, but we got a bunch of rain coming in. And it's so cloudy and dark right now. And them turkeys are gobbling their butt off. So I told them, I said, let's go and try to kill them before the rain gets here. I can hear they gobbling at the thunder now. They got a little sense of urgency this morning with all the rain coming. We just made it across that bottom. And I can hear them gobbling every breath. My crew's dragging behind. Right on my pin. They got a problem.
Y'all ready? Let's go. We are Team Wingbone, and we call that boot home. The thrill of the hunt, the camaraderie of the camp, and the pride of our heritage is in our blood. Our turkey hunting roots run deep. For over a century, our family has pursued the wild turkey. From generation to generation, the time-honored traditions have been passed down. So welcome. We are glad to have you join us.
need to get somewhere now because I think they're going to see us when it gets light.
Where do you think? I don't
If we walk up there in about 2 minutes, they're going to see us.
there.
Okay.
There's one right here too. They got one there.
Where the hell is she?
Right there. Right there. All right. Yeah. Is that the food plot? I don't know. Okay. Let's go. Okay. That way. Good. Get them out. Get over here. Jeffrey has to shoot there. Just get on. Let's get on our knees. You get behind there. Can't see. Can't see that way. Get behind Jeffrey. Right there.
Huh? I can't hear. Yeah. Is that him gobbling? Is he on the ground? You want to try to move up on him? I can't hear him because it's hitting this. Alright. Did they gobble in?
Huh?
Look to your left, to your left. Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him! Go get him!
He got him?
Did he get him?
I'm laying on the ground. I don't think I touched him. I think I was behind him.
Huh?
Somebody's went 5 steps from y'all.
I know.
Y'all never seen him?
Yeah.
Oh, you did?
The lead one was a Jake.
Yeah.
Bang didn't mess with that red dot.
Did he?
Yeah.
He did.
Red dot takes all that nuking out. What's his excuse?
What happened to your red dot?
I didn't shoot. Oh, I thought you shot.
I know I shot
think you
him.
shot.
He shot, he don't want to admit it. Them turkeys was 5 steps.
Your gun snap?
It was loaded?
Yeah.
Did it hit the shell?
It just went click.
Oh, it's loaded. Look, something happened. Look, in here. Yeah, it. The gun down.
Yeah. I emptied my gun. Didn't hit it. But I pulled the trigger and went kick.
What did it do?
It didn't punch, but it went punch. Okay, well that's a different turkey.
Well, let me get up here.
Well, he didn't educated,
Come up here on flat ground before we're going to have to put the cameras up to this pole. Right here. Where I'm filming. I want y'all to do the math for me. Do the math for me. Leg is was 0 for 3 yesterday, was batting 300.
0 for 2.
No, you were 0 for 3.
I shot twice yesterday.
No, he's not talking about shots. He's talking about your last 3 videos. You were 0 for 3,
And he said he was 300.
300. So now he's 0 for 4. So he's what, probably 400?
Is that how it works?
No. This was a sacrifice bunt. I was moving over the lead runner, and the lead runner didn't score. I did my job. I laid down the sacrifice bunt as pretty as you could please. I mean, I give myself up.
Well, what was he doing the last time you seen him? Gaining altitude.
Gaining altitude. But when I laid the bunt down, it popped straight up.
I'm trying to figure out how you laid a bunt down.
Oh, laid it down. Sacrifice.
Well, that's right.
Yeah.